In Parma, community members want to see a case reopened, and they are taking their request to tonight's Parma City Council meeting.
Dawn Pasela died in 2012. Her family says they are still searching for answers in her death and want another agency to take over the investigation. Our Candace Hare has the story.
You may have seen signs like this around Northeast Ohio. Behind them is the story of 26-year-old Dawn Pasela.
She had a really generous heart. She loved dogs. She's amazing. She was intelligent.
Authorities say she died from an apparent alcohol overdose. A medical examiner report lists her blood alcohol level at over 0.5, more than 6 times the legal limit. But Dawn's parents, Ed and Karen, don't believe the case is that simple.
My daughter didn't drink for over 3 weeks. And when she was found in her apartment, her blood content level was more than enough to kill 2 male adults.
They've spent more than a decade pushing for answers, helped by attorney Kim Corral and perhaps unlikely ally Tony Viola. If the name sounds familiar, that's because Viola was at the center of a major Cleveland mortgage fraud case. He faced serious state and federal charges.
I was indicted. Supposedly, I stole $46 million from the mortgage company. But I'm Tony at the realty company, so I refused to plead guilty.
When it came to the state trial, Dawn, an office manager for a mortgage fraud task force, was subpoenaed to testify. But before she could, she was found dead in her Parma apartment. Ultimately, Viola credits her as a whistleblower who supplied evidence that helped him be acquitted on all state charges.
So she just tried to do the right thing. If she hadn't helped me, Candace, I would be in prison right now. I would not be on Channel 3.
Viola did serve 9 years in prison on federal charges, but he never forgot who helped him.
So I feel to honor her legacy, we want to try to pursue justice.
We're not asking for anything outrageous. All we want is an investigation, a fair investigation. We want to know what happened to our daughter, and we want accountability.
Parma officials say the case will not be reopened. A spokesperson for the mayor tells us, quote, "We have nothing but compassion for the parents of Dawn Pasela," adding there is no factual or legal basis to reopen the Cuyahoga-County Medical Examiner's investigation, and that reopening this case is not supported by the evidence and does not serve the interests of justice.
And that was our Candace Hare reporting.